So yesterday we were explaining about some any well actually we didn't explain. We checked the conversation between this guy Jake and Matt. They were preparing tot in the hole, no tot in the hole, ranas en el hoyo, is a special dish or a typical dish in England. Yeah, it's one of the most popular. I think it's the second or third more popular because fish and chips is the first popular. And then we have Toad in the Bowl. And después tenemos el full English breakfast, ¿no? El full English breakfast, que son los más populares, ¿no? Yeah, so here, listen to Jake and Matt one more time. Yeah, one more time in order to remember the conversation, please, and to get some ideas.
8.7. The shopping list.
Mum's recipe for toad in the hole looks easy.
Good. Would you like me to help?
It's okay. I like cooking. You can help make the shopping list.
Okay.
Now, do we have any eggs? And how much milk and flour is there?
Well, we have some eggs, but not many, just 2. How many do we need?
3.
Okay, put eggs on the list.
And milk. We need a lot of milk.
No problem, we have a lot. And we have a lot of flour too.
Great. And, vegetable oil? How much oil is there?
There's some, but not a lot. Look.
That'll do. What about herbs? Do we have any thyme?
I can't see any.
Okay, we need thyme. Now, what else?
Sausages! They're very important. We have 2, but they look really old and sad. How many do we need?
8. Put sausages on the list.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and a large packet of frozen peas. Is that it?
Yeah. So first the supermarket, then the cooking. I can't wait to try this.
Okay, yeah. So here, different quantifiers. Yeah, hay diferentes quantifiers. Yeah, que son much, some, a lot, any. Yeah. So depending on the depending on the word, depending on the vocabulary word, it can be countable or uncountable. Then you're gonna use different quantifiers, and also it depends on the context how much or how many you want to mention, you want to say, or you want to indicate in well in the recipe, in a conversation. No, for example, here, do we have any eggs? Remember that any we use it for negative and questions. The questions are for do, does, is there, are there, yeah, any. Nada de some, no usamos some, only any. Questions. Do you have, is there, are there any? Yeah, the meaning is hay alguno, algunas. Yeah, dependiendo del contexto, alguno, algunas. Yeah. Then we have much. Yeah, it's a question. Yeah, we use much and many for questions. Normally, it's always for questions because we want to ask about the quantity, yeah, or ask the quantity. Yeah. In this case, is much because we talk about milk. Yeah, milk it's a liquid. Yeah, milk is a liquid, and flour is dust, polvo. So we cannot plural. You cannot pluralize milk and flour. That's why it's how much. Then we have some. We have some eggs. Yeah, in order to mention that we have 3, 5 maximum. No? Some. Yep. And then the same for positive sentences, some, yeah, but not many. Here we use many because we are referring to X, yeah, not many, and we are putting in a negative sentence, yeah. Many and much, normally they go in negative sentences. Sometimes not you, but I have other students who use many and much for positive sentences, and you can't use much and any for positive sentences. For example, I could say, um, this is a mistake, yeah, eso es un error. I have many friends on Facebook, ¿no? Caray, me cambió la barra. Well, anyways, I have many friends on Facebook, no? Typical. It is acceptable in spoken English. Yeah, it's acceptable, but it's much better to use, and instead of saying many, because normally many grammatically it has to be in a question or negative. This is kind of negative connotation. Yeah, that means that you have a lot, you have hundreds or thousands of friends, and you don't like that. And we want to say in a positive way. So in a positive way, that's where we use a lot. Es mejor usar a lot en vez de many. Many and much solamente es para negative questions. Yeah. Instead of using many friends, a lot of friends. Yeah. There is much rain, ¿no? Por ejemplo, ahorita. There is much rain in this day. This day. Here it is incorrect. Yeah, it is incorrect because, well, I know that we translate o our mind nos dice, mucha, entonces voy a poner much. Y les gusta también poner la palabra much o decir la palabra much. Está correcto. Rain es uncountable, la lluvia. But in this context, it's much better to use there is a lot of rain these days because there is a tropical storm, yeah, around Mexico, yeah, or a hurricane, yeah, maybe. That's why there is a lot of rain, yeah. Lo mismo, yeah. It's much better to use a lot of, yeah, a lot of, en vez de many and others, ¿vale? Okay, so here, how many do we need? Many in this case is referring to X, so we can count X, podemos contar los huevos, ¿no? 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, etc. No, that's what is many. No puede ser how much eggs, ¿ya? Aparte, siempre que tengamos plural va a ser many. Siempre que tengamos singular va a ser much, porque es uncountable. Yeah. As simple as that. Yeah. Simple as that. Yeah. Por ahí tenemos otros cuantos ejemplos. Just 1 second. Here, how many eggs are there? There are many. Yeah. Aquí también puedo usar there aren't many. Depende del contexto, there aren't any. ¿Ya? Si no tengo nada, no hay nada, pues there aren't any, no hay ninguno. O there aren't many, quiere decir que tengo 2 o 3 huevos. Yeah. There aren't many eggs in my fridge, for example. Or how many sausages are there? Yeah, only 2. Yeah. There aren't many. Yeah, that's why it varies the context, no? Depending on what we want to say, it's going to be different. Yeah, how much milk is there to ask about quantity for uncountable? Yeah. Y aquí, there isn't much. It's always in negative and question. Para cosas positivas, en vez de eso, usamos a lot, ¿ya? Hay que usar más a lot, se les olvida que existe la palabra a lot para indicar mucho, muchos, etc., ¿ya? A lot. Y a lot no tiene una regla, puedes usarlo en positive sentences, negative sentences, questions, etc. Right? Okay. Now that we have explained all of these, guys, it's time to do the activity. Yeah, here you have to decide if it's much or many. Yep, much or many. So do this, please, and we'll check in a minute. We'll check in a minute. Okay, so number one. Who? ¿Quién? El señor Arturo, please. Arturo, Laisha Vargas. Please.
How many?
Continue, please.
How many toast would you like?
What is toast?
Como pan tostado.
Contable
Es
or
como
uncontable?
tostada.
Tostada es tostada, yeah. Typical from tostada. Mexican food, we don't have any translation. It's not tostada. Pan tostado, yeah. Countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Contable.
Actually, it's not countable. It's uncountable, yeah. So how is not correct this? This is incorrect.
How much?
Yes. How much? How much would you like? Exactly. A slice. Yeah, a pesar de que es obvio que el pan tostado es una rebanada de pan, pensamos, es contable. One toast, two toasts, pero en realidad no. Hay ciertas palabras in English, there are certain words that for us, logical, they are countable, but they are not countable. Yeah? And toast and bread, sobre todo, son los que más nos fallan, porque pensamos que pan y pan tostado son contables, pero no. A fuerzas necesitamos otra palabra para hacerlo contable. Por ejemplo, a slice, una rebanada, a piece, una pieza, a piece of toast, two pieces of toast, two pieces of bread. ¿Ya? Entonces ahí es cuando usamos estos quantifiers que es much, que some, en vez de a toast, no puedo decir some toast, a piece of toast. Yeah. All right, no worries. Number two, Payares. Estaba levantando la mano. Payares. Jesus.
Yeah. How much ice cream do we have left?
Correct. How much ice cream? Yeah, ahí va la otra. There are some exceptions, yeah. Ice cream can be both. Puede ser ambas, yeah. An ice cream, it is correct, acceptable. However, when we refer like, the ice cream is served in a cone sometimes, a eso se refiere con countable, pero también puedo decir an ice cream, un helado o una nieve, perdón. a un cono de nieve, ¿no? Pero it's a little bit complicated, guys. I don't know how to explain, but certain words are like that, yeah. But in this case, it's referring to the liquid, por así decirlo, ¿no? To the liquid, because it's like kind of liquid frozen liquid. Por eso es how much. Yeah, perfect. Number 3, any Aritel?
There are countable. It's how many?
Can you read the complete phrase?
Sorry. How many people were at the wedding?
Yeah, exactly. Countable people, no nos vemos con la finta de mucha gente, much. Igual, ya hay que olvidarnos, we start forgetting about that, no? That's the problem that we have. If we translate, sometimes we have these issues, we have this problem, and then we do it incorrectly, ¿no? How many people were there? People countable, entonces aquí es en plural, aparte. Y les voy a dar un tip, another strategy for using much and many. You see here the nouns. Yeah, do you see here the nouns? Yeah, singular. Entonces vamos a usar much. And if you see the nouns plural, you're going to use any. Y así ya pueden tener respuestas correct answers in the exam. Singular, much. Plural, many. And that's it. As simple as that. Okay, next. Who?
Me.
Okay, Rene.
How much money do you have in your pocket?
Correct. Alondra, Natalia, please.
Yes, teacher. How much petrol in there is the car?
Is there? Yes, correct. Petrol, no es petróleo, es gasolina, yeah? Alondra, the other Alondra. Dos Alondras.
Sería hot. How much children does your brother have?
Children. Singular o plural?
Es plural?
Es much? Is it much then?
Yes.
Are you sure? Y lo que les acabo de decir hace 5 segundos. Lo contó. Me ignoraron. You ignore me. It's not possible. Children is countable, so, and it's plural here.
Many.
Many, yeah. How many children does your brother have? Yeah, exactly. Next, please. Monica. Elizabeth, please.
How many is it until your birthday?
Por ahí nos faltó decir el noun. How many?
How many days is it until your birthday?
Correct. Yeah, because days are uncountable. Besides that, it's plural. Yeah, it's a plural. So that's why. Number 8, Silvia.
How many time that did you need for this exercise?
Why many? ¿Por qué many?
How much time?
Why much? ¿Por qué much?
How much? Bueno, how many es time. Está hablando de tiempo, pero de un tiempo. No sé si por eso sea much.
¿Ah?
Porque, bueno, para mí era how many.
Why? ¿Por qué? How many?
Bueno, que el time, como digo, es singular.
Yeah, singular.
Entonces, how much
Yeah,
time did you need for this exercise?
yeah, exactly. And besides that, we cannot count the time in general. Yeah, in general, we cannot count. We can count the minutes, the hours. Yeah. How many hours, how many minutes do you need for this exercise?
Yes.
Yeah. Hours, minutes, yeah, but time in general, no, we cannot count. ¿Vale?
Yes.
Por ahí, we need to check again, guys. I have an exercise. Ahorita les voy a mandar un ejercicio para que trabajemos en much, many, a lot. Y por ahí también está uno, a few, que es parecido a some, yeah, a few, but with countable. Okay, so choose an answer for each question in number 1. So listen carefully and choose one.
8.8. Much or many? 1,
How much toast would you like?
Just one piece, please.
2,
How much ice cream do we have left?
Not a lot. Just some vanilla.
3,
How many people were at the wedding?
About 150.
4,
How much money do you have in your pocket?
Just 50p.
5,
How much petrol is there in the car?
It's full.
6,
How many children does your brother have?
2. A boy and a girl.
7,
How many days is it until your birthday?
It's tomorrow.
8,
How much time did you need for this exercise?
Just 3 minutes.
All right, so sorry. How much toast would you like? Number 1, letter.
Just one piece, please.
Just one.
Many.
Es cuando les dije aquí que a pesar de que es incontable, podemos decir la palabra, estas palabras también se llaman quantifiers, ya. Entonces, at one piece, ¿no? Correct. Number 2, how much ice cream?
Not a lot, just some.
Not a lot, just some money.
Some vanilla, no vainilla. Vanilla. Next, number 3, how many people were there? 3.
About 150.
Mhm.
Letter G.
G.
4, how much money do you have in your pocket?
With letter A, just
Yeah.
50p.
Yes, correct. 4. Next, please. 5, how much petrol?
Letter H, it's full.
H, it's full.
It's full, está al tope, lleno. Next, number 6, how many children?
Letter F.
Oh.
2.
So a boy and a girl.
A boy and a girl. Number 7,
It's tomorrow. Letter B.
letter B, yes, it's tomorrow. Yeah. And 8, letter
Just 3 minutes.
3.
E.
E, sorry. Perfect. Okay, so on one more exercise about this, one more exercise. So choose the best. Yeah, choose the best answer for the, for example, here. How much? ¿Cuándo usamos how much?
Cuando es singular.
Ajá, exactly. How much sausages or sugar would you like? Which one is the correct?
Sugar.
Sugar. Sugar.
¿Seguro?
Yeah.
No, sorry. Sausages.
Muchas salchichas.
How much sugar?
How much sugar could you like?
Sugar.
Yes, correct. Exactly. No nos veamos con muchos, muchas. Olvídense translating, that's why it's not important. Yeah, translating is another thing. Okay, so do the rest. How many eggs, butter, milk do you need? Which one is the correct? Eggs.
Eggs.
Milk.
Eggs.
Yeah.
Eggs. Correct. we don't have much what?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Correct. Cheese. Because biscuits, what is biscuit?
Cookies, galletas.
Galleta, cookies,
Galleta.
son biscuits de los biscuits del pan. Tampoco nos vemos con los biscuits del pan. No. Es galleta.
Los de Obregón.
No, that's not possible. Sorry. I don't know how to say that. It's kind of bread, some bread, but it's biscuits are cookies. Yeah, biscuits are in British English. I'm hungry. I'd like a
Language.
Sandwich.
Sandwich.
correct. No puede ser a bread. Bread is uncountable. Tampoco puede ser apple, aunque sí se podría, pero tenemos aquí la vocal, the vowel. A sería an apple.
Serían, ajá.
An apple, exactly. También tenemos que usar a y an for countable singular. Countable singular, yeah. Number 5. I'd like what? Fruit.
Some.
Some.
Ah,
Some.
Some
it's
fruit.
like
Correct. Some fruit because fruit is uncountable. Desafortunadamente es uncountable. No podemos pluralizar. We never pluralize fruit. We can say bananas, apples, pears, grapes. Yeah, a specific fruit, yeah, but in general, no. Yeah. I don't like. What don't you like?
Broccoli.
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 Correct. Yeah. Next, would you like some? Would you like some
Tea.
Tea.
tea? Yes, correct. Tea. It is the correct answer. How many do you have?
Cousins.
Cousins.
How many cousins do you have? Exactly. If we have
No. Homework today.
no homework.
No.
Exactly. Homework, también la tarea is uncountable. Nuestra lógica sería, es uncountable, es much. Pero ¿qué nos dice la regla? Much lo usamos para negative, ¿no? Entonces, si quiero decir much homework, tendría que cambiar un poco la oración. Tendría que decir, here, let me write. We don't have much homework. Aquí sí sería correcto. Today. O sea, ¿tienen algo de tarea? Yeah, we don't have much homework. This, it is correct. Ponerle una palomita. Yeah. Both are correct. No homework or not much. We don't have much homework. Much better, un poquito mejor. Well, okay, let's do an activity, ¿vale? Ahorita les comparto el link. Antes de compartir el link, pequeña explicación. We have here the exercises on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 exercises, ¿eh? Porque luego nada más me hacen number 1 y ya. No, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aquí nada más dale click and you have the other exercises. Yeah, the other exercises. Okay, first of all, we have the explanation. Yep, here. Here. Okay, so a little bit of explanation of the quantifiers. Tenemos un agregado que es a few, ¿vale? A few, it's used for uncountables. Perdón, countables, yeah. For example, a few people, we have 3 or 4 people. Vale. So here is the explanation. Large quantity, we have countable, a lot, uncountable, lots of, yeah, depending on the word, can be many and much, and they are used for, aquí lo dice, negative and questions, no? Some, I have some questions for you, yeah? Use any, is there any sugar in the jar? We didn't have any problems, yeah? Y aquí tenemos small quantity, yeah, small quantity, a few, o few, a veces, nada más.
Teacher,
Yeah.
estoy viendo el libro, creo. No sé si está en otra página.
Oh, okay, perfect. So sorry. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ah, ahora sí ya.
Yeah, ready? So sorry. My bad. Yeah. A veces pienso que están viendo la misma pantalla que yo, pero bueno. So large quantity, habíamos quedado que es a lot, lots of, yeah. A lot y lots of, it doesn't have any rules, no tiene ninguna regla. Podemos usarlo con positive, negative, questions, no rule, por a lot. Many, much, como nos indica aquí, negative and questions, yeah. Y aquí están las, bueno, aquí no están los ejemplos, pero por ejemplo, podemos decir, how many brothers have you got? How many brothers do you have? How much do you love me? There isn't much sugar. Yeah. I don't have many friends on Facebook. Ahí sí es correcto. Yeah. A small quantity, a few, a little, a bit of, some y any. Yeah. Y aquí nos dice la regla. Some we use it for positive, any for negative and questions. Yeah. Use some when you offer or ask something también. Ciertas preguntas como, would you like some tea? Can I have some tea? Bueno, aquí tienen ejemplos con a lot, lots of, he spends a lot of time of watching. ¿Eh? Aquí no importa el noun, puede ser countable o uncountable. They make cookies and I had lots of it, lots of them, sorry. I like her a lot. ¿no? Aquí un poquito con few y little, almost none or not enough, no suficiente, not sufficient. There is little milk in the fridge, we need to buy more. Little we use for uncountable, little for uncountables. Milk, liquid, yeah, remember? Do you speak English? No, sorry, I speak
Little
little
bit.
English, or very little English, yeah. Después tenemos a few, yeah, shall I buy some more beers? No, it's okay, there are a few in the fridge. Beers, what is beers? Alcoholic drink, ¿no? You can count, podemos contar. Entonces, ahí es donde usamos a few, unos cuantos o unos pocos, ¿ya? Unas pocas, ¿ya? But countable, pero contable. ¿Ya? Y bueno, aquí hay más ejemplos de many, much, there isn't much coffee, did they invite many people? ¿Ya? También podemos usar many aquí o any people, both are correct, ¿vale? There is too much salt in the shop. Podría ser en oraciones positivas, pero agregándole el adverbio too much, too many, it is acceptable, está aceptable, ¿vale? Nada más que es una connotación de demasiado, yeah. There is too much salt. There are too many people in the street because it's Friday. There are too many people. Hay mucha gente. Ok, vale. Aquí tenemos más ejemplos. Yeah. There isn't much coffee in the jar. Son los mismos que tienen ahí, en el mismo cuadrito, ¿vale?
Teacher.
Time to practice. Yes, Silvia? Who?
No, es que estaba tomando una foto.
Les voy a pasar el link para que puedan hacer las actividades. De hecho, eso van a hacer lo que nos resta del tiempo. Yeah. So, exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3. Por lo menos hasta el exercise 3, ¿vale? El 4 y 5 lo dejamos para mañana. ¿Les parece?
¿Ese ejercicio en dónde está, teacher?
Se los voy a compartir.
Solo 1, 2 y 3, ¿verdad, teacher?
Yes, 1, 2 and 3. Yes. 1, 2 and 3, ¿vale?
¿En dónde está? Me dijo, teacher.
I'm going to share it now. I'm going to share it now. Parece el chat, ya me pusieron el chat. Vale, ya. Se los comparto aquí y se los comparto con WhatsApp. ¿Vale? Ok, exercise 1, exercise 2 y exercise 3. Much, many, some, any, a lot. Y tenemos un agregado, a few, que lo usamos con countables para indicar small quantity, ¿vale? Entonces, estos 15 minutos que nos quedan, hagan el ejercicio 1, 2 y 3, please. 1, 2, 3.
Pero yo no los veo, teacher.
Acabo de compartir el link en el grupo y aquí también.
¿Vamos a compartir nuestros resultados, teacher?
No necesariamente. Para ustedes, para que chequen sus errores. ¿Vale? Okay, guys, so please do this exercise, important for you to practice, and tomorrow we do the 4 and 5 together. Lo hacemos juntos el 4 and 5 together. ¿Vale?
Okay, teacher.
See you later.